Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you about PC Manager. If you download, you can download PC Manager in the Google. In this PC Manager utility app for your PC that effortlessly enhances PC performance with just one click. Okay, now we will try to install Microsoft PC Manager. Clean up PC protection for your system. Safeguard your PC in a quiet and reliable way. Click to download. Open Microsoft Store. And get it. If you need this file, you can find this file in the description. We are given one link, you can download with that particular link. Wait for few seconds. It's 55.83 MB. Yes, now the PC Manager has been downloaded. Now try to open. Yes, automatically start Microsoft PC Manager when I sign into Windows. Get started. Microsoft PC Manager window has been opened. In this PC Manager, you can see here PC boost option is there. See, in your system 69% memory usage has been done and 1.2 GB of temporary files is there. You can check your health checkup, means your computer checkup, not your health. Okay. In this you can select network check, restore default items, app uninstall, everything. Now it is scanning. Health check in progress. Wait for few seconds. Scanning the startup items, scanning app uninstall. What are the basic features is there in this? It will scanning everything. After this you can check one by one here. Scanning restore default items. Now I am going to check here app uninstall normal is option is there. Now I will click it, but still it is scanning. Wait for few seconds. Yes, now the scanning has been completed. Now you can check here memory 8 GB physical memory, graphic card, everything it is showing here. Network check, space check, and application items, all these things it is showing here one by one. App usage duration, if you want you can turn it on, and if you select this health summary, apps option is there here. If you click this apps option, system usage traces, security check, usage advice, everything is showing here, and network check option is there, and temporary files, what are the temporary files is there, you can see, you can check here, and space check option is there. Here you can see system items 1.28 GB, delivery optimization, everything it is showing. If you want to clean, you can click this clean option. It will remove all the temporary files and thumbnail cache and prefetch cache, everything will be deleting. This is the normal thing in Windows. See here, it's cleaned 1.1 GB. And here one more option is there, usage advice, system usage traces is there. 647 items can be cleaned here. This is the security check. Here one more option is there called app usage duration. If you turn it on, what are the application you are using in duration, it will show. And here one more option is there, application check. In this application items, what are the application is using more than the cache, it is showing here. Okay, like this you can check. Here one more option is called app uninstall. If you click this, it will show what are the apps you can able to uninstall. It will show here. Okay, space cleanup, app uninstall, startup items option is there. Here you can able to app uninstall option is there. No uninstall suggestions, go to app deep uninstall for data, means we don't have any uninstallation for the apps, because we are whatever the application we are installed in my laptop, it is the normal thing. There is no unwanted apps here. Because of this, it is not showing here in the app uninstall. No uninstall suggestions, go to app deep uninstall for details, like this. Means in my laptop there is no unwanted apps. Because of this, it is showing like this. Okay, is there in most of the things in this application is there, you can go through this. Okay, thank you.